Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the video is public or unlisted so YouTube's automatic captions can exist. This matters because private clips often lack generated text. Next, open YouTube Studio and go straight to the Subtitles tab for that video to see available languages and auto-generated drafts. Once there, if no captions appear, download the audio or use a transcript extractor to create a base SRT. You'll need that file to add subtitles without relying on the on-screen CC toggle. Now you create or refine the subtitle file itself using a text editor or a dedicated subtitle app to save as SRT or VTT. These are the standard formats YouTube accepts. Make sure timecodes use hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds formatting and split lines so they remain readable on screen. Shorter lines improve clarity. Once you've adjusted timing, checked speaker labels, and removed filler, export the file and keep a backup. This manual file replaces dependency. Finally, upload your subtitle file. In YouTube Studio under Subtitles, pick the language, hit Add, then Upload File and choose with timing. You'll see a preview, play several segments to confirm sync and fix any drift using the built-in editor. Once satisfied, publish the track. This makes subtitles available independent of the automatic CC button. If subtitles don't display on some devices, reupload after converting to VTT, clear cache, and ensure the track is published and not set to draft.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.